Last time I was here, it was -7 degrees out and I was freezing cold, but I had such a good experience. Not only was the food awesome, the people were awesome too. I had to be in Sanford today. Let's go take a look at one of my favorites, Richie's Jerk and Barbecue. It's a small place, but it is packed with big love and awesome flavors. Let's start it out with this oxtail. Oh my God, this was ridiculous. If you're gonna get oxtail, you get it from a Jamaican. And this was fall off the bone, such deep, rich flavor. Awesome.
Yes, so today we'll be making shrimp scampi. And the way we'll be doing it into our own Caribbean style. Oil to saute my vegetable. Butter to melt down with everything. Don't forget, this is our Jamaican sea rub, what we make in store. Put a little. Then we're gonna add a little cilantro. And the garlic. This is when I'm gonna add my shrimp. And let it cook for like about a minute and a half. Now I'm gonna have my flaked Parmesan. This is it. And then we're gonna do the best part of it. This is the part I love, the garmenting part. Look at it. Looking good, huh? Mm-hmm.
So simple, but when it's made with love, it tastes so much better. That's why I love coming to this place. Everything is just a happy vibe, excellent food, made with love. All right, so here we go with the finishing touch. So you see, whenever the smoke chip let off the smoke, the chicken tends to get golden brown more, get darker. And this is what I'm talking about. Say hi, Richie. Hello. We're doing some jerk chicken on the grill, and right now I'm taking them off because they've been smoking for a while now. And now we're taking out some nice juicy jerk chicken. Oh, that looks good. So what'd you do? You cut it up? I cut it up, bite size, and this is the jerk sauce right here. That's the jerk sauce. And then I top it off with a little of our barbecue sauce. Right, this piece, it's got the hot sauce on it, it's got the Jamaican jerk on it. If I get the hiccups, man, that's just the way that it goes. Oh, look at this. Oh damn, that's got some nice heat. Great flavor. I'm not just bragging and boasting because I cook it. Sanford, Maine. Well, I just finished up an awesome afternoon at Richie's Barbecue, watching them cook up some Jamaican jerk chicken, shrimp scampi, curry bowl, So many good things. The flavors that come out of this little kitchen is absolutely awesome. Come take a look at Richie's Jamaican Jerk and Barbecue in Sanford, Maine. You'll be happy you did. Tell them Johnny Mo sent you. Peace.